air left in the balloon, which you're not going to do. But when it hovers, F net should be 0. So they weigh the tissue paper. So all I do is, the kids hold this. This one's taped. Oh, I see, because you've got it too. So this one must have survived the launch. So they hold it over, and in a very short time, this thing inflates. And we actually put a thermometer in there to get the temperature when it's hovering, the hot air temperature when it's hovering. But then you can see when it hovers, draw a free body diagram of that. And then as this heats up, then you're losing the air actually, because the air that's in here, it has expanded, right? It's displacing more and more and more cold air as this gets bigger and bigger and bigger, right? So then finally, because you're displacing so much cold air, the buoyant force is increasing. The weight, if the tissue paper hasn't changed, probably the density of the hot air inside is less, and so you end up with a net force up and this thing rises. What I try to do is quickly on takeoff is just quick put a piece of tape on the bottom so that if there's a draft and it rotates, I don't lose all the hot air at once. But it's a really fun project, another buoyant force to show that air, things float in air for the exact same reason they float in water. Okay? And you bought one from